Alright, so we've got our gel test, computer-based diagnostic trouble code reader. We need this gel test data link. It's a wireless box, but it does need power. So on the back side we have our power port. We need our cord. Just plugs into a regular socket. Down here we got a little power strip. Plug that in. Plug this in here. Side. Alright. We don't have a power light coming on. I think I need to change the socket. It's over here. There we go, we got power. Alright. Now I need to find the correct connector to hook up to this. There's the port we need to connect to. We'll see what kind of port we have in here. Looks like we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pin. I think that's it. Alright. Before I plug this into the box, I'm just going to make sure that it fits. Take our box over here, plug the other end of the connector into it, make sure you got it pointed the right direction to match up. You don't want to bend these little pins in here. Really hard to bend back. Just gently match it up, push it in. You can screw these little screws in to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Just tighten those up. Make sure you don't bend your pins. Alright, we're hooked up. Got power. We go to our keyboard and mouse. Go to gel test, scan program. Alright, we want to make sure we turn the key on to the accessory position. Make sure the computer's communicating with the truck. Now we're going to press connect. We'll wait for it to communicate. Not detecting, make sure the key is turned on. Kind of have to mess with that key a little bit to get it to turn all the way. Alright, now we're definitely online. We're going to connect again. giving us our codes right here. Alright, it tells us what section that's in. There we have 2 right here. It's still loading them. Alright, we got all our codes now. We're able to get into them if we click them. We're going to go to analog braking system. We actually have our ABS light on in the truck when driving. So that means usually we have a fault with the ABS system. Go to read fault codes. Alright. Wheel speed sensor, axle 1 left, current below normal or open circuit. Axle 1 left, mechanical system not responding correctly. But if you double click the actual code itself, go to fault code troubleshooting. It tells us what components are related to the fault. We're going to go to the troubleshooting menu. Should bring us up some information on how to diagnose the problem. Now here we go. Just a long checklist of everything to make sure of. Whichever code you have, whatever the description is, you match it to whatever steps there are right here. We've got current below normal or open circuit. So if I go and look for that, I can find it right here. It's step 6. Current below normal or open circuit. And I'll just follow all these steps. Check all these components. See which one might be giving you trouble. Check the resistance and supply voltage of the component as well as wiring. Basically just goes on and tells you everything to look at to maybe find your problem.